A great day starts with a great morning. If you want to feel energetic, focused, and happy, your morning routine matters. Welcome to the Fit Life Morning Routine, a step-by-step guide to starting your day the right way. The first step to a powerful day? Wake up early. Successful people start their mornings before the rest of the world. No more snoozing. Instead, take a deep breath, stretch your arms, and get out of bed with purpose. Start by making your bed. It's a small habit that creates discipline and a sense of accomplishment, right from the beginning of your day. Your body has been resting all night. It needs hydration. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon. This simple habit helps flush out toxins, wakes up your digestive system, and gives your metabolism a jumpstart. You can also enjoy green tea or black coffee for an extra boost, but avoid sugar. Let's keep it clean and healthy. Now it's time to get your body moving. Exercise is the key to an active, energetic life. You can start with light stretching, yoga, or a quick jog in the fresh morning air. If you're short on time, do a 15-minute bodyweight workout. Push-ups, squats, and jumping jacks will get your heart pumping and muscles activated. Or if you like something more intense, try skipping rope or shadow boxing. Whatever you do, just move. After moving your body, take a moment to focus on your mind. Sit down, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Inhale, hold, exhale. Deep breathing relaxes your nervous system, lowers stress, and clears your mind for a productive day. Even 5 minutes of meditation can change your mood and mindset. Try it. Now let's fuel your body with the right nutrition. A healthy breakfast is essential to keep you energized and focused. Smoothies are a great choice, packed with vitamins, protein, and fiber. Or go for a protein-rich breakfast like eggs, whole grain toast, and avocado. Oatmeal with nuts, seeds, and honey is another fantastic option for sustained energy. Eat mindfully, chew slowly, and enjoy every bite. Your body will thank you. Before you jump into the day's tasks, take a moment to plan. Write down your top 3 goals for the day. This helps you stay focused and organized. Reading for 10 to 15 minutes in the morning feeds your mind with positive and powerful ideas. Choose books that inspire you. Reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude brings positivity, and positivity attracts success. Ready to feel unstoppable? Take a cold shower. It boosts circulation, strengthens your immune system, and keeps you fresh and alert. Now dress up, stand tall and smile. You're ready to conquer the day. Now, you've set the foundation for a powerful day. You've moved your body, fueled your mind, and planned your success. Whatever comes your way, face it with confidence and energy. Success isn't about luck, it's about habits, and it all starts with your morning. Stay active, stay positive, stay strong, live your fit life. If you found this morning routine helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a fit life together. And that's your ultimate Fit Life morning routine. Please subscribe, like, comment, and connect with Fit Life.